This is Earth, our home planet. Down here, we've been working hard to create a model of Earth, unlike any other. A state-of-the-art model and interactive experience for us to explore. Like never before, we can hold the past, present, and future in our hands. We see our planet through new eyes, a new perspective. No longer simply a place that we live, we can see our home as a changeable, constantly evolving planet. Each Earth model is finely molded and then hand-painted to showcase accurate and beautiful details of our world's surface. But that is just the physical aspects of what we've created.
Along with the artistry, Earth utilizes state-of-the-art augmented reality technology to share all the information as you explore and learn. We created an app where you can learn all about our planet with augmented visualizations from a range of global topics. We also gave Earth artificial intelligence capabilities. You can use your voice to ask questions about our planet that will be answered and displayed in front of you.
You can see how animals have migrated over time. Weather systems from decades past. Mother Nature growing up and falling down. Vegetation spreading across continents. Meteors impacting our surface eons ago. There's so much to learn and explore right here in your hands. Our planet is always changing. We created Earth to track that change and open it up for you to explore.
Using augmented reality and artificial intelligence, we have taken that global exploration to new heights.
There's so much to discover about our evolving planet. With Earth, you can take that journey through space and time and go wherever it leads you.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're constantly drained? In today's fast-paced, highly connected world, we're busier than ever. Instead of looking after ourselves, we spend countless hours worrying about our battery levels because we rely on technology for work, fun, and even dating. But what if technology was part of the solution instead of part of the problem? Introducing Hypercube. Wake up, recharged. Hypercube is an award-winning sleep aid, wake-up light, and alarm clock that can wirelessly charge up to 3 Qi-enabled devices. The Hypercube alarm utilizes gradually increasing light and sound for more natural wake-ups. Use the Hypercube app to create a custom light and sound alarm, or select one of the pre-programmed sunrise simulations. Hypercube is engineered to fast-charge both Apple and Android devices, so you can charge your new iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. Or your Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, and LG G6. Whatever your preference, the 10-watt wireless charging pad on Hypercube can charge your phone up to 2 times faster than standard wireless chargers. You can also customize Hypercube with modular add-ons. For travelers, the power bank turns Hypercube into the ultimate wireless charging solution. For audiophiles, the Bluetooth speaker base provides an immersive sound experience. And when you leave the house, simply fold up Hypercube and take it with you for convenient wireless charging anywhere. With an adjustable 3-position design, the possibilities are endless. When it's time for bed, use the Hypercube app to tailor-make the bedtime routine of your dreams, so you can fall asleep and stay asleep. But should you wake up, Hypercube makes taking care of business in the middle of the night easier too. This is Hypercube. Wake up, recharged.
This is Link. It connects 2 or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair 2 or more devices and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.